Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing my April kit lineup. Now I'm doing this differently to how I usually do it because I ended up choosing all my kits off camera just during my time of choosing not to do YouTube videos. So I did actually choose everything ahead of time, so I apologize that's not my usual long let's look through my kits. I will say all the kits I'm using this month were in my must-use section of my organization, but I will link up above my kit organization and collection video that was recent, so you can see what I mean by my must-use section. But yeah, I just pulled everything out from that one section. That was that. I had a good idea what I wanted to use in April. I did completely forget Andrea's birthday because that's my brain, and but I think I can still use the kit that I'm using. I just really want to use it, and Andrea's gonna have to live. I mean, my birthday last year and hers was put on the wrong week, so the wrong kit. So I'll just take that as what equal now. No, I'm joking, but I love you, Andrea, but I really want to use this kit, and I don't think she would disagree with me using this kit anyway. But let's go straight into it. I'll show you what I have. There is one foil bundle I'm waiting in the mail, but I will tell you about it. The first one here for the first week of April, which is like the third. Oh, anyway, the first week of April, I am using this kit, or is it start the 4th? I don't know. I'm using the January 2021 mystery, so it's super old. The beautiful. I'm definitely using these, so I might as well take them out of their cellars. But yeah, it's just the gorgeous old mystery, and this is the actual mystery. I think it was re-released recently, so it should be in the shop maybe. I think I'm remembering correctly. I'm glad she used that paper. But yeah, so this was a very beautiful and purpley mystery, and I just never got a chance to use it because I used a Halloween kit in the end for my birthday. But I thought I'll use it for Luck's birthday. That's what I should say. I'm using this kit the first week of April because April 6th is my partner's birthday, and yeah, they're turning 34. My gosh, we're both 34 this year, which is crazy. We're so old. But yeah, I thought this would be perfect for their birthday, and I'm gonna pair it with it did come with an old format bundle of Sparkly Hollow and Champagne Lights together, but I decided I just want to do one metal this week, and I chose Champagne Lights, and I have it in the Celestial design. So I thought this would be perfect because it is very celestial, galaxy birthday, and then look at that beautiful gold shine. So I decided I'll just stick with Celestial, no, Champagne Lights, instead of also putting in Sparkly Hollow, just because that's what I feel like using. Although if you use both metals, then it came out really beautiful. But this is what I'm choosing to use for this week, and I'm super excited for it. I do love me, well, having a pretty kit for my partner's birthday. And then the next week, I really wanted to use this one. This is the 2021 Cyber Monday mystery from Caress Press called Super Spacey, and it is like a bubble tea in space theme with some ramen and a cute doggy and stuff like that, which I did do for her. And again, I'm looking into the purples. I just feel purple for April, and I want to embrace it, but it also has a lot of other beautiful colors in it. So pretty. I love it. So I'm going to be bringing in hollow foil, and I believe it came with the hollow, like her alien space hollow bundle, so I'm just going to keep that with it. It's super fun, but it doesn't have enough full boxes to what I need. So I've added in, I want to use the toolbox of the people. So I'm going to use this toolbox from Scribble Prints Co, which is the Celestial one. That's the Power Couple one. That's the Celestial one. I'm going to use this one to go with the space. And then I'm going to bring in these old star overlays from Scribble Prints Co as well, just to fill that out. And some little deco stars, because I do like having deco on every single label. So I need like lots of deco, little pieces. So yeah, I thought that'd be perfect and super fun. So that was that week of April. I didn't have the dates on here. I can't be bothered. And I'm using a Simply Gilded album, by the way. And then the next one, which is the week of Andrea's birthday, her 30th birthday, which is very cool. She's joining us in the 30s and being old. But I really wanted to use the March 2022 Mystery, the 90s grungy one. I just have to use it. I have to use it. I have to use it now, and I want to use it. So I think looking at the other kits, this is one that is probably closest to Andrea anyway, because of like the Furby and the Game Boy and Coke and just being cool. So I'm going to use this one for her birthday. And again, the purple, I think it's adorable, and I think the touch of daisies to it leads into spring as well. Ugh, I just love it. Love. So I do have, this is the one that's missing a foil bundle, but I will bring in, I'm going to mix the black sparkle that came with it, which I think is really cute. And it's like a sparkly black in the sparkle design. But I'm going to mix into it the Sparkly Hollow Daisy bundle from Caress Press. And I think that'll be perfect with it. I just didn't have it yet. But I think the daisy, because we have a daisy here and in the patterns, I think a daisy design would just make it all the better. Like just sort of give it a bit more of a pop on top of the dark colors. So I'm gonna be mixing the black with the Sparkly Hollow. But that is what I'm doing for Andrea's birthday week at the end of the thingy-me-bob. And then I'm using, for the last week of April, I am using cotton candy. I'm going to take these all out, so I have to use them. And, you know, I'm just going to have to use these, and that's good because I need to use up my collection. But yeah, this is cotton candy, which I'm loving this artist. They're from Korea. And I asked Audrey to do this one. And I just think it's so cute. And again, it is purple. We're going with the theme here. And it's purple and it has like little flowers. And I feel like it runs off really well from March Mystery, because it has kind of the same 90s feels to it, in my opinion. This makes me think of Groovy Chick. If you remember Groovy Chick, apparently she's back. I used to love Groovy Chick back then, but that's what this pattern makes me think of. So I thought this would also be a good, like, April is kind of like, it might still snow, but it's going to definitely get into spring, and by May it should definitely be spring. So I thought this was a good transition into the bright, colorful spring kits. And I was like, what can I pair with it, this and that. I'm like, I was looking through my foil, and I'm like, Lavender Hollow, duh. Like, this is screaming for Lavender Hollow. So I just decided to use the Lavender Hollow Star bundle, because I like stars, and I think it'll be cute with this. So that is the Lavender Hollow that I picked up to go with this one. I think it lends itself to like the pinks and the purples in the kit. And I'm one of those people that can use stars for anything. Honestly, I got a lot of stars this stars. But I feel like that's just April for me. But yeah, that is my April lineup. I think it's super duper cute and purple. And we'll get back into working order in May. But there's probably still going to be lots more purple because it's just, I love it. But that is the lineup. And I hope you are enjoyed this video. Hopefully I will have planned these up for all of these weeks in the future coming up through April. I know I haven't been great in Feb and March, but we're getting back into it. But otherwise, if you like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to do more, want to see more, want to do more, whatever. But hopefully you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you. Bye.